Replacing your Chrysler 300 key fob battery, CR 2032, can sometimes cause it to stop working. This often happens because the key fob loses its synchronization with the car's RF hub, the receiver module. The quickest fix is to try resyncing the key fob. First, ensure your car is unlocked. Then, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. Next, cycle the ignition or push-button start 3 times quickly. For some models, you might need to use the car's touchscreen or an OBD2 scanner to manually enter resync mode. Cheap batteries can cause voltage drops, so ensure you are using quality batteries. Most of the time, this resync process will restore functionality. If resyncing doesn't work, start by checking the battery voltage with a multimeter to rule out a faulty battery. RF interference from nearby devices can cause issues, so try the resync process in a different location. If problems persist, the RF hub itself might be failing, especially in older models. RF hubs are susceptible to moisture and corrosion. Diagnostic codes like P605 could indicate an ECU issue related to the RF hub. While DIY fixes are often successful, a failing RF hub might need professional replacement, costing between $200 and $400. If you're uncomfortable with electrical work or if the problem persists, consult a certified mechanic to avoid further damage or voiding your vehicle's warranty.